welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to use Stable Diffusion 1.5 for Windows 10 and 11. So basically you need Python, let me show first, Python 3.10 and Git 2.40 series version. So when you download that, the oldest version, right? And then Stable Diffusion, extract Stable Diffusion, then open it. So you have to go to Models, Stable Diffusion. You should put at least one AI generator. This one is the lowest, it's 2 GB. Make account, press highest rated 1.5 and hyper if you want. Press this and download it. Look, it's so realistic. And put it here after downloading. Then press webui. If you want, make shortcut to not go in the folders or damage any file, and then press it. And when you're downloading Python, make sure to check the box, empty box, then download it. Now it will take 5 minutes to open this, but it took me about 3 seconds because this is not my first time running it. At your first time it will download the default version, and for now it's the last version. Negative prompt is what you don't want to generate in the photo, and prompt is what you want to generate in the photo. This is extension, this is from Google. This is video generator. This one generate 100 photos, and in each photo about one small movement. So all the photos together, one by one, it turns into video. And when you put the frame FPS, it will put motion blur and make it like a video. So now we're not using this, we're using the photo video. This is 6 GB, but this one I haven't, it's here, but it's for the adult version. It's 6 GB, guys. It's this site is using locally your graphic card to generate photos. It's not using Wi-Fi to generate. Only the Google Chrome is for typing, and for the update it uses Wi-Fi. It's not using anything, it's not taking data from your Google, and if you want you can use a VPN. My antivirus is on. There is no treat, no bypass, controlled folder off, everything is on. And if you want you can watch another video if you want, if you don't believe. So now we're using the DPM++ 2 million. This is, if you change this, it change the size, but it will take longer. So let me put equals and 25. This is 6 GB. I don't want, you can go here. So I want something that looks like this picture. I put this here because I don't want to generate this type of things. Also I'm doing a YouTube video, and this is what I'm generating. And remove complex prompt, or it will do blurry photos. It will do faster than this, but I changed the size. This is the photo it generates. Usually it's for this one. Let me put everything default. this fast it generates. You can change complex things, add the curve, something else. This is the quality. You can put realistic, but make sure to point something on it, point or something. And also put 4K, 8K. Usually it's this one. The other one is more complex. It has more codings.